guys, welcome to the Baby Chick channel. I'm Nina Spears, the Baby Chick, and today we are looking at this dress up and storage play set for kiddos. I have been looking for a dress up station for my kids for quite a while. When I was a kid, I just had a big trunk and I put everything in there, and I felt like I was always digging for things and I never knew where stuff was. And I've seen people just get these little hanging rods where they can hang their different outfits for their kids to play dress up. And I thought it was a great idea because I think when you see it, you play with it. My kids are actually in Montessori school, so I love the Montessori method. And when I saw this one on Amazon, I thought that this was the perfect thing to test out for my kiddos for playtime. So let's take a look at all of its features. It actually only took 30 minutes for us to put this together, and it came with everything that we needed. Gloves, a screwdriver, different Allen wrenches, and all the screws. So first, the overall size. This is 47.6 inches long. It is 31.5 inches tall. This shelving station is 15.3 inches wide. Playtime is for girls and boys. It is gender neutral, so you can use something like this for your child, no matter what they like to play with. This is just some ideas of what we did, so you can be inspired if you decide to get one yourself. So for the storage station, what we did is we had some different extra storage containers for better organization. Inside this little basket, I put a lot of the masks that my kids play with, as well as a little bit of jewelry. And then just being able to see everything. So having their sunglasses, purses, tiaras, hats. Get creative, you can put books, stuffed animals, whatever it is that they love, and display it here at your storage station. Something else that I like about these storage station is that it has raised edges, so it's not going to be tipping over the side. And that also includes the bottom here. So you have like a bottom rack where you can put extra shoes or even extra boxes if you don't have long dress up outfits for extra storage, and it stays all nicely in one spot. For this hanging station, we just got some extra hangers to be able to hang all the different outfits. So I put a lot of my daughter's dress up stuff on here, everything from princess to Superman. So what I also like is when you do this, you can also put their cape with the mask. So then everything is all together. You don't have to be digging for all of the pieces. It's all in one spot. And one of my favorite features is this child-safe mirror on the side. I love it because once your child dresses up as a police officer, a veterinarian, a princess, a scientist, whatever it is, they can come to the side and admire themselves as they use their imagination and play dress up. You've had those, honey. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to Baby Chick channel for more videos like this, and let us know in the comments if you have a dress up storage station, how you organize all of it, what you do, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.